guys, in my pre-travel kind of self-care routine is hair, skin, nails, and pretty much that's it. And I always do this whenever I travel, like a day or a two before. So I am traveling, so this is like kind of ritual I follow. So this is done here. I will put like intense hair treatment before I wash my hair. So this is also from the same brand. It's an Ayurvedic oil. So you put it in your hair, and then I keep it for an overnight kind of, and you can keep it as long as you want. So it recommends to have like a 90 minutes